Hey everyone, I'm Jeffrey Daniels, and this is my presentation for the design of the area in front of the new science building. Some key issues and challenges that are involved with the site are poor and compacted soil. There are many places that flood on the site. There's no seating, no pathways. The area is very noisy, and there is a small amount of plants. For my first precedent, I chose the Kofu Fun Plaza in Tenri, Japan. This site is relevant to the project in my first concept diagram because of the large circular grass lawn areas. Here is another angle of the Kofu Fun Plaza. For my second precedent, I chose Center City in LeBauer Park, located in Greensboro, North Carolina. This site is relevant to the project in my second concept diagram because of the large water feature that is a centerpiece to one of the areas in LeBauer Park. Here is another angle of the water feature located in LeBauer Park. For my third and final precedent, I chose Wake Tech's Eastern Wake campus located in Zebulon, North Carolina. This site is relevant to the project because of its middle lawn area and how it has separate plots of green space, but the site still flows together. Here is another angle of the Eastern Wake campus, and here in the middle is the area with the separate lawn spaces. For my first concept, we have circular seating areas that are represented in our first precedent. In the middle, we have a statue coming from the middle viewpoint of these windows. And from the statue, we have pathways going towards the sidewalk. And all around the site, we have plant material. For my second concept, in the middle of the site, we have a large water feature that is represented in our second precedent. Around the water feature, we have semicircular seating areas, and on the end of the seating areas, we have trees. The ground is permeable paving, and around the site, we have planters that are filled with different types of plant materials. For my third and final concept, the site has separated lawn spaces that is represented in my third precedent. In the middle of the site, there is a square seating area, and in the middle of the seating area is a water feature. On the different lawn spaces, there are different types of plant materials. The pathways on this site are made out of brick, and they are made out of brick to represent A&T's history. Here is my rendered site plan. My site plan consists of building signs, a central water feature, a central square seating area. On each corner of the central lawn spaces, there is a garden, and inside of each lawn space, there are also concrete steps going towards the central seating area. On the outside lawn spaces, there are benches with concrete slabs underneath and plant beds with concrete edging. There is brick paving on the site, and there is a brick pathway on the left side of the site. The left side of the site also consists of a rain garden, and throughout the site there are many mulch beds, and right here on the site is a ramp. The main part of the site is also viewable from the central windows on the north side of the science building. Here is my first perspective. This perspective is showcasing the middle of the site. As you can see, the different lawn spaces and the brick paving. You can also see the central water feature and the central seating area from this angle. Here is my second perspective. This perspective is showing the angle from Carver Hall going towards the new science building. As you can see from this angle, the transformers now have a variety of plants around it. In the back corner right here is a rain garden, and here is the brick pathway going towards the new science building. Here is my third perspective. This perspective is showing the central pathway going towards the central seating area. Here on my fourth perspective, you can see the central seating area at a different angle. Here is my fifth perspective showing right outside of Carver Hall. These are the final plants I will be using for my site. I will be using willow oaks, Bellini raspberry crepe myrtles, large crepe myrtles, butterfly bushes, American hollies, dwarf Buford hollies, hostas, red maples, and camellias. These are the final materials I will be using on my site. I will be using wood, concrete, brick, grass, and soil.